Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about the markets itself and make my daily commentary about it. First off, I want to talk about the S&P 500. Well, I'm bullish about the S&P 500. Why? As you can see, uh, S&P 500 starting from October 2025, the S&P 500 is in stabilizing position, not going up, not going down, it's stable. So if I have to talk about it, as you know, before that there was a price increasement trend from starting from the April 2025 until the October 2025. So, well, within the old situations in the world like Venezuela and the Iranian problem and S&P 500 just stays above the all-time high, just almost hit to its all-time high. Even the Iran situations, and this is generate tension, and tension has to be make a sell for the stock markets, but it still pushes for its all-time high. So this is the bullish sign. I think after the Iranian war ends, the conflict in the Iran, if if it ends or something like that, the S&P 500 will be starts to gain some momentum from the upside, because the story behind the S&P is not yet finished, and the story will become as the AI hype, and we are not in the euphoria period right now. The price increase will end in the euphoria period, but we are not in that euphoria period right now. So, if I have to talk about the Nasdaq was in the triangle and gone out, gone in. So this is a bullish sign. I think it will be break its triangle. And if you look at the weekly chart, it follows this weekly chart since October 2023 until this is the top of it. It seems there is a bottom for it and still struggles in the bottom. So it seems good. Maybe I can increase my holdings in here. So if I have to talk about the Russell, as you can see, Russell made its all-time high again today, and this means that all US markets are gaining momentum. All US markets are going up. This is a silent accumulation. I can say as a silent price going up trend, because the S&P just going little bit up, but Russell going up. That means not only Magnificent Seven going up right now, all US markets are going up, and it will be make a momentum for the US markets for the 7,400 in the first round, S&P 500 if I have to talk about, and then it will be go through like the 9,000 in my opinion. So if I have to talk about the silver in the future season gone down to the Fibonacci level and got retested from it. Well, it is too much for the silver. I'm always telling this in my videos. So I will buy from here. I will sell from here. I won't do anything with the silver because it's too much volatile, and it feels like I'm gambling when I bought silver. So I won't buy it. If I have to talk about gold seems good, and gold will be reached maybe 5,000, but I don't think it will be going to reach it. Maybe 4,700 levels are the maximum for it. But we will see, because because the commodity seasons, I think it's the end for it, because it gone up really good, and maybe it can be like take a breath or maybe go down a little, gain much more momentum for the later on runs. But I think this is the end for the current price increasement, current price run, and this is my opinion about it. So if I have to talk about Bitcoin, well, I made a video about Bitcoin yesterday. I said it can be go through like this price increasement trend, as you can see here. Double tap, 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 3 taps, maybe 4th tap, but there's a Fibonacci here. It can be go up, but in the weekly there's also Kaufman moving average and Fibonacci and the price trend in here. Maybe this is can be take it from there to like magnet. It can be pulled up like a magnet, but this is a too strong resistance over here, and I don't think it can be break it in first round. It can be bounce or something. This side was good for the buy. We bought. We have Bitcoin. I have Bitcoin. If I talk about myself, just going to hold and going to see what's going to be happen. If so, if I have to talk about Ethereum, Ethereum follows Bitcoin, by the way, and in 4 hours it seems gaining some much momentum. And if the Bitcoin got passed through it, it's reach for it. The Ethereum's reach will be 3,820,000 levels, and the XRP, well, it's not seems good in the XRP. It's gone down with the Kaufman moving average. I wouldn't suggest XRP right now, but you know, this is the XRP. There is not much volume like the Bitcoin or Ethereum, so we cannot fully predict what's going to be happen, but it seems not good at the moment. Well, if I have to talk about XMR gone up really good with this 4-hour chart, really good, gone out and gone down for the Kaufman moving average, but struggles through years, so it is not bad, also not good. Just wait for the make its accumulation, wait for its gain of strength for the more and bigger runs, because my goal in the Monero is 2,500. So thank you for watching me. See you all. See you all.